20 money words you must know. Assets, meaning things you own that have value. My house is my biggest asset. She bought gold as an asset. Liabilities, meaning money you owe to others. His loan is a liability. The company has many liabilities. Income, meaning money you earn regularly. My income is increasing this year. She earns income from her job. Expense, meaning money you spend. Food is my biggest expense. We reduced our monthly expenses. Savings, meaning money you keep for the future. I put money into savings every month. His savings helped him in hard times. Debt, meaning money you must pay back. She's trying to clear her debt. Too much debt is dangerous. Investment, meaning money used to make more money. Stocks are a good investment. He made a smart investment. Interest rate, meaning extra money paid on borrowed money. The interest rate is very high. I got a low interest rate loan. Cash flow, meaning money coming in and going out. The business has strong cash flow. Poor cash flow can cause problems. Budget, meaning plan for how to spend money. I made a monthly budget. We must follow the budget strictly. Revenue, meaning money a business earns from selling goods or services. The shop's revenue increased last month. Our revenue comes mostly from online sales. Profit, meaning money left after all expenses are paid. The company made a profit this year. We want to increase profit next quarter. Loan, meaning money borrowed that must be paid back later. He took a loan for his car. The bank approved her student loan. Mortgage, meaning a type of loan for buying property. They paid the mortgage on their house. A mortgage helps people buy a home. Audit, meaning a formal check of financial records. The company had an audit last month. The accountant did a financial audit. Stock, meaning part ownership in a company's shares. She bought stock in a tech company. The stock price went up today. Bond, meaning a loan to a government or company that pays back with interest. He invested in government bonds. Bonds usually pay steady interest. Equity, meaning the value of ownership in something assets minus debt. Their home equity grew this year. She increased her equity in the business. Bankruptcy. Meaning, legal status when someone cannot pay their debts. The store declared bankruptcy after losses. Many creditors lost money in the bankruptcy. Dividend. Meaning, a payment to shareholders from a company's profit. The company gave it to be a dividend to investors. His dividend increased this quarter.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.